Now this illustration deals with bonding for communications systems in accordance with 250.94. Now before we get into explaining this illustration, let's review the note. Now the note says steam or hot water pipes or air terminal conductors for lightning protection shall be employed as grounding electrode systems for bonding or grounding electrode conductors per 820.100 B32. So these type conductors should not be connected to this inter-system bonding system. Now, instead of going into reading all the bullets that you see there, basically, as you see the illustration, we have a bonding bar, and it says capacity for at least 3 inter-system bonding terminations. And to read about this capacity for 3 inter-system bonding terminations, review 250.94 item 2 and 250.94 item 3. Now as you see that bars there, we would connect cable television, dish, we could connect communication systems to that bar, and then we would take a number 6 from that bar and connect it to, say, the service equipment grounded bar that is earth grounded. And then notice any lightning protection or TV or radio antennas could be grounded to driven rods individually. They would be bonded together and they would be connected to the grounding bar and the service equipment, but you would not connect those to the system bonding jumper except as permitted in 250.94. So you see everything is listed in this illustration that you would need to review to understand this system in detail. And just review the bullets that you see, and they completely outline it so there's no mistake what you can connect to this inter-system bonding jumper system. And notice the note is very clear what you cannot connect to it. So keep that in mind. And as you see the TV and radio antennas and things like that that you see there, those are not listed in that note. So you have to be careful what you connect to it, because you don't want to let a surge come in that could get into your communication systems, your cable TV box, your dish and stuff, and destroy those low energy circuits or fry them in such a manner that they'd have to be replaced. So that's mainly what this figure 16-97 is illustrating, the bonding for communications systems in 250.94.